Hello, little artists! Today, we're going to draw a playful monkey. He's having so much fun playing badminton, and he can't wait to hit the shuttlecock. Let's start drawing. Now it's time to color. Give our monkey a bright orange shirt with some fun green stripes. Don't forget to color his furry arms and legs brown, and add a little bit of pink for his cheerful smile. Great job! Our monkey looks amazing, ready to play his game. You did a fantastic job bringing him to life with your colors. Keep up the great work. Hi there, young artists! Today, we're drawing a cute alligator who loves baseball. He's ready to swing that bat and hit the ball. Let's get started. Time to add some colors. Color the alligator bright green with a yellow belly and a big friendly smile. Don't forget to color his bat brown and the baseball white with red stitching. Look at that! The alligator is all set to play baseball. You did an awesome job coloring him in. He looks ready for his big game.